Hello, welcome to Maths class. Today let us have chapter Identities and Factorization, and in that you are going to learn how to factorize the algebraic expressions. I have come with some questions from simple to little complex. Let us have one by one. How to factorize this? Here first one, 10p square qr plus 15p q square r. Two terms are given. So when we want to factorize the given expression, first thing we have to see is what is the common factor from all the factors of the given expression, all the terms of the given expression we have to see first. Here only two terms are there, 10, 15. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. As we see, we can know that 5 is the factor. And also p square is here, p is here. So p is the common factor. Q here, q square is here. Q is also common to both the terms. R is in both the terms. So 5pqr is common to both the terms. And this is also said to be highest common factor of the given two terms of this expression. So you have to take the highest common factor as a common factor. Now let us write the remaining terms. 5 2s are 10. P square is here. P, we wrote P. Q already there, R. And for your understanding whether you have done right or wrong, multiply this and see. 5 2s are 10. P into P, P square, Q, R. Correct. Plus here 15, 5 we have taken. 5 3s are 15. Here only one P is there, we have taken. Here q square is there, we have taken 1q. So 1q. R is there, R we have taken. So 5 3 is a 15. P, q square, R. Only to test whether done correctly or not. Very simple. And here second one, three terms are there. We have to see what is the highest common factor in these three terms. We can see 4. Here 4 3s are, this one 4 2s are. Everywhere 4 is common. Here is x square, but here is only x. So everywhere x is common. But y square is here, but in these two terms y is not there. So 4x is the highest common factor of these three terms. So 4x. Now let us write the other factor of this expression. 4x square is here, 4x we have taken. Only one x is left, 4x into x square minus here 3, 4 3 is a 12, x is, we have taken x, one more x is there, y square is also there. From 8x minus I have written 4x, that means 4 2s are 8, x already written. When you multiply, again you will get it. Okay? Now, just here I have given two terms, here three terms. Now here you can see each term is having the product of some factors. Okay. So let us see. Now this is one term, this is another term. In both the terms we can find x minus 1. So the common factor is x minus 1. When we take x minus 1 in both, here 2x is left plus 3 1. Very simple. Okay. Now fourth one, a minus b whole cube plus a minus b whole square. A minus b whole cube means a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. That means a minus b whole square into a minus b. Here a minus b whole square is there. That means here a minus b 3 times is there, here 2 times. So the common factor is a minus b whole square. When you take a minus b whole square, one more a minus b is left. Plus, here already complete a minus b whole square we have taken. Here only 1. When you open, we can see a minus b whole square into a minus b. If you want, you can put here already second term only 1 we are getting. We can keep like this. When you multiply, you will get it. Okay. Next one, 3q into p minus q plus 2r into p minus q minus s into q minus p. Here we have to be little careful. Here is p minus q, here is p minus q, but here is q minus p. If we want to convert this to p minus q, the meaning of that means when we write p minus q means minus we are taking common. Minus p will be plus p, plus q will be minus q. When we take minus common, minus s will be plus s. So first let us convert that one. 3q into p minus q plus 2r into p minus q. When we take minus common, it will be plus s into p minus q. Now everywhere p minus q is there. If you take p minus q common, 3q plus 2r plus s. Okay? Only here little tricky. Now here 4 terms are given. Let us see what is common everywhere. Here is x, y square, y, x square, xy can be common, xy can be common. Here is x square but no y. Okay, x square is there but here is only 1x. So everywhere only x is common. When we take x common, we will have y square minus yx square means yx, or we can write xy minus from xy x is taken common y plus from x square x is taken common x. Okay. Now here let us do these two and these two. When we take factors, let us see what is going to happen. In these two terms y is common, we will have y minus x. In these two terms nothing is common. So let me write 1. We will have y minus x. Open and see, minus 1 into y minus y. Minus into minus plus 1 into x, x. So x. And now again here 2 terms. Both the terms y minus x is common. And here is y minus 1. So this is little complicated, little tricky. When we had 4 terms, we can do 2 terms so that we are able to get. Because we are getting the common factor in this, we have done. Otherwise, you have to keep like that. I hope this is clear to you. With this much is clear means you will be able to factorize the algebraic expressions easily. Okay? Thank you.